Chapter 4. Fat's Birthday Party. So Fat went home with his mum and his bike. Mum put him into the bathtub and washed him with a lot of soap. When he was clean, it was 2:30. "Oh dear," cried Fat's mum. "Your friends are coming soon, and we are not ready." So Fat went to tidy his room, and his mum went to cook pizza and lay the table. At 3:10, 2 of Fat's friends came. They were funny and naughty. "Happy birthday to you," said Naughty, and gave Fat a big bottle of olive oil. The boys laughed. But Fat was angry. He wanted to cry, but his friend said, "Don't be angry. It's a joke. Best wishes on your 9th birthday." And they gave Fat a big box. When Fat opened it, he saw a CD, a book about animals, and a big jar of jam. "Thank you, friends," said Fat, and smiled. They sat down to watch a cartoon. Soon came Noisy and Clever. They gave Fat a big cake, an apple pie, and a box of chocolates. Fat was happy. It was 4:30, but Slow wasn't there. "Where is Slow?" asked Fat. "We don't know," answered the children. "Let's phone her." And they phoned Slow, but she wasn't at home. So the children sat down at the table. They ate and drank, talked and watched films and cartoons. Then they danced and sang, and Clever played the piano. After that, they listened to new CDs. It was a very merry birthday party.